Follow the steps on how to create a text effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. Next, I will insert a dark background. Lock this layer. Press T to insert text. Change the color. Make sure the transform control is active. Hold Ctrl and Shift to create slant text. Select and press Ctrl J to duplicate. Turn this off. Change this layer to rasterize type. And change to dissolve. Activate the smudge tool. Then set the hardness to 0%. Drag it slowly like this. Use the eraser tool with hardness settings of 0% and opacity of 10%. Start deleting slowly. Next, go to Edit, Transform, and select Warp. Here I choose the flag effect. Then go back into Warp effect. And select Twist. You can still use the smudge tool to repair imperfect parts. Finished, and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.